Hi everybody, it's Katie from Live It Well Nutrition, and today I'm bringing you into my basement to show you my laundry routine. So as you'll see here, I have my homemade laundry detergent, which is very effective and natural. So that's something that I like to use. I have bleach here. I almost never use it. I think I've used it twice in like 3 years, maybe more, because I didn't use it a lot before then. But when we started to cloth diaper, there were 2 times that I've gone a little bit too long without washing the diapers, which I know, it's disgusting, but I needed to get the bleach. In BC here, I live in Vancouver, BC of Canada, and we don't always have a ton of sun to hang dry the diapers, so that's why the bleach came in handy. I will show you the dryer balls. These are wool balls, and I like to put lavender oils on them because it's very aromatic when you're drying your clothes. And this is just an all-natural stain remover, and I usually use stain removers when I'm washing the diapers. I'll show you that in another video if you're interested. If you are, leave me a comment in the comments below to let me know. But you just kind of rub it on the diaper and remove the stain and kind of work the material together. But I only do that for the cloth diapers. Everything else I just throw in the machine. So let me show you that.
We fit like 2 birds in a house on the corner of 6th and 8th. I've gotta say, who would have thought that we'd be intertwined and quite the same? We are the only game I wanna play today and tomorrow. This flower's blooming all the same. The grass gets greener every day in our place. I'll visit every Wednesday. Our imaginary hey boy, we'll see you soon. Miles scatter all but me and you. Time whispers into my ear and overwhelms petty fears. He speaks so sweet, he says, you'll get days that equal years. Travel back, maybe.
So for a small load, you'll only want 1 scoop, and for a medium load, you'll want 2. If it's an extra large load or an extra soiled load, then you'll want 3 scoops. And this scoop is actually just from the Nellie's laundry detergent, and I've just reused it for this. And that's it. A nice lavender smelling natural wash. So that's it, an all-natural way to do your laundry that smells nice and is chemical-free and great for the environment and your skin. Subscribe or like the video if you'd like to see more like this. And thank you for joining me in my basement for the laundry. I hope you did like it, and comment below if you did, and let me know what your tips are. I would love to know how you do your laundry. But until next time, this is Katie from Live It Well Nutrition. Live it well because you only live once.